channel. So as you can see, we're doing a makeup look. I wanted to chit chat, get ready with me. I kind of did enjoy talking to you guys a little bit in my last video, so doing it again. As you can see, I already did my brows and my hair is set in some pin curls, if you can see that. Not really sure what kind of look I'm gonna go for. I was thinking halo type look, so we're gonna see what we get today. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on my video, and let's get started. So I'm gonna be taking my Mario Badescu, and also I'm gonna be listing in the description box all the products I used today, okay? So I'm using the Mario Badescu skincare facial spray, the rose water spray. So let's get let that get set real quick. Pro concealer and orange corrector. It's been going well with you guys. So far so good. My week has started well. So I hope it's the same for you guys. So that's how that's looking. I'm gonna go ahead and blend. So I see, I guess Aisha Curry made a comment, or she was talking on the Red Table Talk, and everybody's talking about this right now. But I just wanted to weigh in a little bit. But she made a comment, I guess, about not getting male attention. You know, while her husband gets all the attention from women, and it gets kind of hard to, like, I guess, check the girls, or insert herself in certain conversations and things like that. But I guess it was saying something of like she would like to get male attention or something like that. Honestly, that's like any woman, like, or man. You know, when men get attention from women, you know, kind of boosts their ego, things like that. You know, I guess it's the same thing for women. You know. It kind of just lets them know that they still got it, type of thing. And I guess, you know, for her, she just wants to know basically that she still has it. And I don't think, you know, she was meaning it into any disrespect to her husband. You know, it sounds kind of messed up, because I would definitely be upset if my husband, you know, was upset that he didn't get female attention of the cases, you know, because we're married, you know. But I guess that's what it is for her. You know, I'm just taking a guess. I don't know. But, you know, she has had, I think they have 2 to 3 kids or something like that. So, you know, you kind of feel like you lose yourself a little bit when you have children, or, you know, when you're in a relationship. Because, and most likely for her, since he plays basketball, you know, all the attention is on her kids and on him. You know, I'm sure she's getting helping him get ready for his games, and showing up to meetings, and, you know, just diving deep into his career, you know. And the children, she has to, you know, full on just be not like a single parent, because I'm sure he helps out, but for the most part, you know, he's away at games, he's doing this, that, and the third. I don't know what their situation is at home, if they have a nanny, things like that. But so yeah, that's how that's done. If they have a nanny or things like that. But you know, you kind of lose yourself. It becomes just about your family, and, you know, not that there's anything wrong with that, but, you know, like I said, you tend to lose yourself. So I'm guessing that's what it is for her, you know. But, you know, craving male attention, I don't know. I guess it goes, I have mixed feelings about that. Like I said, she probably feels like she lost herself, and, you know, she just wants to feel pretty. She just wants to feel beautiful, and, you know, like she still has it, or whatever the case is. But, you know, at the end of the day, you're married, so your husband's attention should be enough or suffice for you, if he's giving you attention at all. Yeah. The Met Gala was this past weekend, I guess, or during the week sometime. And some of the looks were, you know, nice, and you know, I don't know what the whole meaning camp is. You know, I guess I don't know if everybody else gets it, but it looked more like fairy tale type to me, fairy tale type looks. But I'm sure they get like little letters or invitations with, or you know, just from their agent about what the theme is, you know, and more explanation of what that is. Because when I hear camp, I'm thinking like camping, you know. So, but everybody looked more so fairy tale like. Holmes seems like she had like some type of purple dress on. She looked like a fairy godmother type thing, like, you know. And 21 Savage, he was dressed, to me that was like regular, like the whole, you know, I know people keep saying that it reminds me of a Versace look, and you know, it kind of did, like, and I think that's how most rappers dress, honestly. The whole gold and black. Don't worry about how it's looking right now. It's kind of looking crazy, but it'll be where it's supposed to be as soon as I'm done. Okay? Alright, so we're gonna take some concealer. We're gonna clean the middle a little bit. a little bit of the Kevin Aquan concealer, putting that in the corner. Now we've had to let that concealer give it some time to dry down a little bit. We're gonna go ahead and blend that out, okay?